Assalamualaikum, good morning guys. I want to introduce myself. My name is Ratna Ningsih. You can call me Ratna. I am from a nursing student at Indramayu College of Science 6B. In here, I am as the leader of blood type group. There are my friends is Intania Indriyani, Intan Agus Diani, Fahrurrozi Ishaq, and Kholisiyah MJ. And I'm here. I will explain my materials about characteristic blood type O and characteristic blood type AB. Do you know about characteristic blood type O and characteristic blood type AB? Okay, let me explain about characteristic blood type O.
First of all, let's read basmalah together. Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahrul Roji. You can call me Fahrul. I am from Indramayu because here I want to explain about the definition of blood type and what the blood type it is. Blood type is the classification of blood from a person based on the presence or absence of antigen inserted on the surface of the blood cell membrane. The two most important types of blood classification are A, B, O, and rhesus. Benefits of gold dust. Number 1. For blood transfusions or often called blood donor, important requirement for donating blood or receiving blood transfusion. Number 2. To prevent complication of transfusion, that is receiving blood that is incompatible with your blood type can cause blood clots and complications that can be fatal to the body. Symptoms of blood group mismatch in the process of blood transfusion are fever, cold, nausea, yellowing of the skin and eyes, chest, stomach, back pain, blood in the urine, and shortness of breath. Number 3. This is also important for pregnant women. Examination of blood type is also important for pregnant women and the fetus. They contain if the mother and fetus have different rhesus, then potentially endangering the fetus. Maybe that's all I'm saying, more or less of it, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahrurrozi Ishaq. You can call me Fahrul. I would like to describe about the system IBO. According to the IBO system, human blood is divided for intergroup, namely understanding of agglutinogen and agglutinin is what underlies the technique of blood transfusion. In blood transfusion, people who give blood are called donors. Those who recipient are called recipient. This blood transfusion must pay attention the problem of agglutinins, because if there is incompatibility in blood group, it will cause blood agglutination and can cause death of recipient.
Diani. You can call me Intan. I am from nursing student Indramayu College. I intend to give explanation about the blood type rhesus or HEF. Apart from the ABO system, this rhesus blood group also classifies a person's blood based on the presence of certain antigen in the blood. To classify blood based on rhesus is called D antigen. Simply put, if the person has D antigen in his blood, he is Rh positive. Conversely, if someone does not have D antigen, they are Rh negative. Rhesus factor is a type of antigen present in red blood cell. If the blood has an RH factor, then it is said to be a positive rhesus. And if it does not have an RH factor, then it is said to be a negative factor. People who have RH negative can donate blood to people who have RH negative and positive status. Donor with RH positive can only give their blood to people with RH positive status. Thank you for watching my video or my presentation, and I hope my presentation is beneficial for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello my friend, my name is Intania Indriyani, you can call me Intan. I am a nursing student from Indramayu College of Health Science and I am a member of the blood type group. Now, I want to explain about blood type check. Before going to blood type check, I will to mention about tools and material blood type. That is blood type card, blood lancet, autoclick or lancing device, toothpick, alcohol swab, anti-A serum, anti-B serum, anti-AB serum, and anti-D serum or rhesus. Will I to mention about step-by-step blood type check. Okay, my friend. Number 1, step-by-step blood type check. Okay, that is, don't forget to use glove. Number 2. Take a blood lancet attached to autoclick or lancing device. That is. Number 3, check the patient finger and disinfectant one finger the patient. Example, my is patient. And okay, my friend, that's hands example patient. Okay. Next, take the lancing device. Take the lancing device to the stabbing the finger patient that has been disinfected. Finish. If blood comes out, drop of blood on each circle on the blood type card. Okay, my friends, if drop of blood on each circle finish, next 1 drop of anti-A serum on the circle anti-A, 1 drop of anti-B serum on the circle anti-B, 1 drop of anti-D serum on the circle anti-D, and 1 drop of anti-AB serum on the circle anti-AB. After the drop of the blood and serum, next mix the blood and serum using toothpick. My friends, next observe the lumps to blood. Interpretation: if there agglutination on the blood A and AB, then the blood type A. If there agglutination on the blood B and AB, then the blood type B. If there agglutination for blood A, B, and AB, then the blood type AB. And if not there agglutination or lumps for A, B, and AB, the blood type O. And last, if the agglutination for the rhesus, then the rhesus positive. Or if not there agglutination for the rhesus negative. Okay, my friends, blood type check is finished. don't forget to tidy up tools and material. And washing hands. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching to my video and presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. My name is Kholisiyah MJ. You can call me Olis. I am studying in Indramayu College of Health Science. My major is nursing. My class 6B. I'm here. I want to explain about characteristic blood type A and B. As friends know that each blood type has different characteristics. So I'm here. I want to explain about characteristic blood type A and B. Okay, previous. Do you know what the are characteristic for blood type A and B? And do you believe about characteristic blood type? Okay, now I want to start explain about characteristic for blood type A and B. First is blood type A. People with blood type A is considered classic because easy stress, cool-headed, serious and calm. Blood type A has characteristic assertive, can reliable and be trusted but stubborn. Usually, before doing something, people with blood type A is always think about it first and has careful planning. They are the conscientious person. Do everything seriously and consistent. Blood type A, try to make yourself as natural and ideal as possible. Can look aloof and firm for people. Good at covering up weakness in front of many people. And finally, tend to be hard to people who disagree. Yes, more or less about characteristic for blood type A. Next, characteristic for blood type B. Blood type B like to curious and interested in new things, has many hobbies, but they are can choose which is more important and not of the many things he did. Blood type B always want be number one on in various way and looks brilliant, carefree, spirit and enthusiastic from the outside, but actually everything is different from what is inside of them. Well, that's all my explanation. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Usually, people blood type O are open, energetic, and social. They are the most flexible compared to other blood type. Number 1. Blood type O usually plays a role in creating passion for a group and plays a role in harmony. Usually, they have the spirit of leadership. Number 2. Their figures are seen as people who accept and to think calmly. Number 3. When they are upset with someone, they are hard to get angry with the person correctly. Number 4. Usually generous, happy to do good. Number 5. Liked by everyone despite being stubborn. Number 6. Blood type O is also usually a flexible person. Number 7. Easily influenced by others. Okay, let me explain about characteristic EB. Usually, people with blood type EB are difficult to please. Number 1. Has a soft, sensitive feelings. Number 2. Be attentive and take care of other people's feelings. Number 3, decide that they are stubborn with themselves and those around them. Number 4, they tend to appear to have two personalities. Number 5, they often become sentimental. Number 6, have lots of friends but often alone. Okay, thank you for listening my recording. May be useful